let's not forget to enjoy the game. Kung ano na pinaka-kuha na mo nga kuha. I talk to Boss Kaloy. Yan na siya nga enjoy kita dapat sa game. Good. Enjoy kita dapat sa game. Sila kuha ba? Enjoy the game, right? We're gonna enjoy and second.
Alright, let's go with the beat. Come on. Say 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Take your left, take your right. Move to the left, move to the right. Palit na sila kuhan. Oh.
Wearing jersey number 24, Bastatas. Wearing jersey number 12, Malagar. Wearing jersey number 3, Comeros. Wearing jersey number 9, Olbeso. Office of Law. Santugo, Samoa. Municipals after competing with 20 teams all over the country. To give us this message of gratitude, let us call the Batang Filipino Basketball League National Commissioner, Mr. Ron Camara. A round of applause, please.
Sam. Back to the ball game.
Manako kami. Wala mo. Hindi, manako kami. Manatanan. Tanang manatanan. Pero si Kumi, wala pa. Kasi ko yung tapos dito. Sama mo ang kasama. Lugita.
Oh, nagkaon pas kumi na ayog sa mukha.